Aku insecure. Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm thrilled to be sharing with you on this platform and connecting with you visually. I'm a dedicated YouTuber who aims to provide informative and entertaining content. On this channel, you will find a variety of content ranging from tutorial, tips and tricks. I believe that through video we can share stories, experience and valuable knowledge. Today, we will discuss how to respect myself. Appreciating myself is an important step in building personal happiness and satisfaction. Who here has experienced or is currently experiencing low self-esteem and feeling unworthy of love and self-esteem? One of the triggers is when we are heartbroken. It is not good for ourselves. For my past experience, here are some tips to help you appreciate yourself. Number 1, get to know and accept yourself. Take time to understand who you are as an individual with your strengths and weaknesses. Accept yourself as you are, including the mistakes and failures you may have experienced. Appreciating myself means accepting myself wholly. It is accompanied by worship to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, so that we are always grateful for ourselves and know that we are valuable. Number 2, pay attention to your physical and emotional needs. Take care of your physical health with a balanced diet, regular exercise, and sufficient sleep. It is also important to take care of your emotional well-being by managing stress, nurturing yourself emotionally, and taking time to relax and engage in activities you enjoy. Okay, number 3. Number 3 is engage in activities you enjoy. Set aside time to do activities that bring you happiness and a sense of meaning, whether it's hobbies, sport, reading, writing, listening to your favorite music, or whatever you like. Make time for activities that bring joy and personal development. Number 4, pay attention to the food you consume. Is also a way to appreciate yourself. By maintaining long-term health, loving yourself is not about eating any food that is not good for your body. Number 5, set boundaries and don't be afraid to say no. Learn to say no when you feel overwhelmed or unable to fulfill other people's demands. Maintaining healthy boundaries helps you protect yourself and give adequate attention to yourself. Number 6 is recognize and appreciate your achievements. Give yourself praise and recognition for the achievements and progress you have made, whether big or small. Don't underestimate yourself or compare yourself to others. Focus on personal achievements and cultivate a sense of pride in yourself. Number 7, maintain positive social relationships. Seek and maintain relationship with people who support and appreciate you. Avoid your environment that belittle or trigger low self-esteem. Build positive and supportive relationship with people who enrich your life. Don't forget to always be kind to everyone, because no matter how small our kindness, it will make us feel happy. 8. Number 8. Okay, number 8 is maintain a positive mindset. Be aware of negative thoughts that might arise and learn to transform them into more positive thoughts. Focus on your strength, achievement, and positive qualities. Don't be too hard on yourself and give yourself forgiveness and love. This will bring peace to your life. Number 9. Yeah, number 9. Don't feel insecure on social media. Post your beautiful photos. Don't be ashamed or afraid to share what you enjoy. But of course, not to oversharing. Okay. Number 10. Number 10 is cut off people who don't allow you to grow and those who constantly hurt you. Okay guys, those are tips. I hope they can be beneficial for those of you who are currently feeling low self-esteem and want to appreciate and love yourself. I apologize if my English accent is not perfect. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and share these my videos. Bye bye.